What is up, YouTube? It has been a minute since I've actually sat down and vlogged my lifestyle, which, I mean, yeah, no. Life has definitely been crazy over here. I have been working 2 jobs. I moved into a new apartment. Things have been really going well, and your girl has been traveling this year. Yes. So kind of what I wanted to do today is just take you guys on a day in a life with me in Columbia, South Carolina. I have not done one of these type vlogs in, I'd probably say, well over a year. Life is changing, the city is changing, they're adding so many new different things, and I have a lot of stuff to do today. So my sister's birthday is tomorrow, and so I already have her a gift, but my niece, which is her first baby, her first birthday is in 5 days, and so I really want to get her a cutesy little gift. So I'm gonna get her 2 bathing suits and a splash pad because it's getting hot here. So I'm going to take you guys with me today so I can pick some of that stuff up. If you aren't familiar with me, my name is Keshante Chantel. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe and join my beautiful family so we can continue to grow together. Outside of that, I have not eaten. I want to try some new places, perhaps maybe get a little coffee or a smoothie or something today. We're not doing too much too extravagant, but we are gonna be out and about. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Let's go. So I am getting ready to go grab food. I'm semi-annoyed because I went into Sephora. I wanted to try the new matte NARS foundation, but unfortunately, when I got to the counter, somebody had used my $10 reward. Well, I was kind of pissed off about that, and obviously I don't know where my car is at, but Yeah, just really annoyed by that because it's my reward and I have been saving it for a while. So they just couldn't figure out what was going on. They said contact customer service. I was trying to get a lip balm in the foundation, but I don't know, I just got annoyed. And if you know anything about me, once I get frustrated, I don't want nothing. So yeah. Goodness. Sorry about the light. My blush is blushing. But I did get the cutest bathing suits for my niece. So when I get back home, I'm going to show you guys what they look like because they are so adorable. I still got to go to Target and see if they have a splash pad. I also want to see if they have any more army bombs because if you guys don't know, I'm into K-pop. I have been for a while. I'm going to see BTS in August in Houston. Well, actually, I'm flying to Houston to see my best friend, and then we're going to Dallas, Arlington, if you will, for the concert. And so I don't have an army bomb. They did release a new one and I want one, so I'm gonna check and see if they have that. But for right now, I'm starving. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon and I have not eaten, and I didn't have dinner yesterday, so I am very hungry. Ooh, so I'm currently in Target. I am striking out because I'm looking for a splash pad for my niece. They don't have it. Why am I carrying this cart like this? They don't have it. I'm gonna go look at the makeup section because why not? I feel like I haven't gotten anything done today. All right, so I'm officially back home. I am hot. I am burning up. It is so hot outside. I don't even know what the temperature is, but it's just really hot. So yeah, just got back in the house. Gonna put my food in the refrigerator, y'all. This is my Olive Garden. You can see I didn't even eat my food while I was there. Sometimes that soup is enough to fill you up. So let me show you what I got. I have been needing a air fryer. I have one. It's actually in my trunk, but it's one from my other place and I didn't want it anymore. So this one was only $15. As you can see, it's really, really cute. The flowers on it, I mean, it just is what it is. It was cheap. It was originally $50, so I felt like that was a decent one. And it was $15. Let me show you what else I thought was really, really cute that I picked up. So these were $5.98 at Walmart. So basically they're these snackable containers and you can stack them. Kind of remind you of a bento box. So we have this thing here in Columbia called Jazz at the Park. So you can go there on like Fridays and stuff. It's at Finley Park, which one day I'll take you guys. I did get a green one too. But like you can take your cooler, your snacks, and I just thought this would be really, really cute to take a couple snacks and stuff out there, to have like a little blanket and my chair and, you know, just have some snacks. I did pick up some food for the house. I don't feel that it's going to be necessary to really do a grocery haul. However, I did pick up this item I got for free at Bath & Body Works. So this is the Viva Brazil body mist. I didn't even smell this one, but I was like in a rush, so I just grabbed it. It was free. I left the splash pad in my car. I ended up getting it from Walmart, but let me show you guys the bathing suits that I got my niece. So this one is super duper cute. It's got little cherries on it. She is gonna be 1. And then this one was really cute too. It has like a little hat to go with it. Cost wise, I don't know what you would spend on a bathing suit, but this one was 32 and this one was 28. The splash pad I think was 35. So I think that's a really great gift for somebody that's turning 1. I don't think she's really gonna care about the price of anything because she is a baby. So I talked about this on TikTok before. So if you like the strawberry refresher, Starbucks. So if you like the Starbucks refresher from Starbucks, they do have the strawberry acai concentrate where you can make your own. This is the first time. Damn, I should have got another mango one. So I do have the mango one, which I typically use, and I will mix mine. I'll mix mine with the Simply Lemonade, and basically when I get my refresher from Starbucks, I use the lemonade anyway to mix it. Now these two combined, you do have to put a little bit of water in it to dilute it because it can come off a little sweet. But outside of this, I feel like for what this was $9, for what you're going to pay for a refresher, it is going to be $7. You can make like 5 or 6 drinks, probably even more. I don't really know how many you can make, but I'm assuming 5 or 6, and save yourself some money. So yeah, this amazing. I haven't tried this one yet, but if it's anything like the one that I typically get, I know I'm gonna love it. So I think what I'm gonna do is probably clean up my kitchen because it is a mess. I'm gonna chill for the rest of the night. I think I'm going to, because I don't feel like washing dishes, I think I'm gonna turn my dishwasher on. I've been living in this apartment for 5.5 months and I have not used it. So we're gonna give it a go, give it a spin, see what it do. So I'm gonna just chill. Yeah, and then also this video is definitely gonna be posted, of course, after my sister's birthday. So I'll just show you guys. Well, I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging, but this is what I got for my sister for her birthday. It is basically, I got her the Chanel Chance Oh So Fresh or Oh Fresh perfume, because I posted a video on TikTok just saying my top 5 perfumes that are going to be great for the spring and summer, and she saw that one and she was like, oh my gosh, I definitely need to get it. So since she wanted it, I got her that. And I also got her the Carolina Herrera Good Girl perfume. I got her the original one. So yeah, that's her birthday gift, and then the other gift is her daughter's. I am birthdayed out right now, so I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the day. There's not much going on. My house is semi-clean, but I'm gonna throw these dishes in the dishwasher and just sit down. I'm tired. So if I don't talk to you guys again, then thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Look at this. I am sweating. Y'all, it's hot. I had to turn my air down to 68. It was on 74 and it's still hot. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and thank you for spending the day with me. What short-lived day we had. Bye.
Slow down.